Children, welcome to Sacred School Raigada. I am Shahadev Jana, your MSc teacher. Today I am going to teach MSc for class 3, lesson 2, a birthday gift. Please listen carefully. Now I am going to explain. Mohanraj, Tarun and Divya always experienced a loving home. Their parents did everything to help them grow as good children. Their parents made great sacrifices to make them happy. The children also realized this and grew loving, respectful, and courteous to all. The neighbors and relatives loved to visit Mohanraj's home. The neighbors and friends spoke well of their pleasing behavior, even in the school. The teachers appreciated them. They owned many friends through their courteous and fine behavior. Their mother's birthday was coming close. It was Wednesday. Mohanraj thought to give a pleasant surprise to his mother. One day, on Sunday itself, he told his little brother and sister about mother's birthday. They planned to celebrate her birthday, appreciating the great sacrifices she did for the family. Mohanraj promised of arranging a cake. All of them agreed to give gifts to the mother individually. Mohanraj remembered the story of his grandmother narrated when he was small. Once there lived a loving mother in a family. She had 3 children. The father, mother, 3 children, and their grandparents constituted a happy family. The mother's birthday came. The entire family started celebration in the morning and surprised the mother. The father brought a beautifully decorated cake and kept it on the dining table. The children and grandparents gathered around the table as the mother cut the birthday cake. The children sang in one voice, "Happy birthday to you." The eldest son ran to his room and brought a gift for his mother. He had saved money for the whole year to buy her a birthday gift. With all his savings, he bought a watch for his mother. It was a great surprise for her. She hugged her son affectionately for his love and thoughtfulness. The second boy was no less than his brother. He too thought about his mother's birthday and saved his little pocket money. He opened his school bag and brought out a wrapped packet. It was a handbag which his mother loved much. He had taken time to select the best bag with an attractive color. When the mother opened the gift, she was speechless, thinking about the great care her son had taken to select a gift that pleased her. The little girl was looking here and there. Suddenly, she slipped out of the room. No one noticed her. She went to their garden with a tray in hand. She plucked some rose and jasmine flowers. She rushed back to the room with a tray full of flowers. By now, all of them sat on the floor, opening the gift packets. The little girl had no gift bought for the mother as she was very small. No one gave her any pocket money. She plucked the tray full of flowers on the lap of her mother and sat on the tray. She said in her innocent angelic voice, "Happy birthday." That was the gift the little girl was able to give her mother. Everyone's attention turned towards the tray of flowers and the little girl on it. What a great surprise! What a wonderful birthday gift. That was the best birthday gift the mother ever received. Even her brothers liked her gift as the best. They talked about the birthday gift of the little girl everywhere. It was the most unforgettable birthday for the mother. She always remembered the precious birthday gift. Here I have given some homework for you. Please write it in a notebook and practice. Answer the following. Lesson 2, a birthday gift. Why did the neighbors and relatives love to visit Mohanraj's home? The parents made great sacrifice to make them happy. The children also realized this and grew loving, respectful, and courteous to all. The neighbors and relatives loved to visit Mohanraj's home. Number 2. How did the children plan to celebrate their mother's birthday? They planned to celebrate her birthday, appreciating the great sacrifices she did for the family. Mohanraj promised of arranging a cake. All of them agreed to give gifts to the mother. What did the eldest son gift to his mother? The eldest son gifted a watch to his mother. What was the gift of the second son? A handbag was the gift of the second son. What was the gift of the little girl? A tray full of flowers. Write the correct statement B. Mohanraj does not experience a loving home. Mohanraj experienced a loving home. Everything can match the love of our parents. Nothing can match the love of our parents. Tarun was a restless and careless boy. Tarun was not a restless and careless boy. The little girl gave a handbag to her mother. The little girl gave a tray full of flowers. 5. Monraj thought of giving a great shock to his mother. Monraj thought of giving a pleasant surprise to his mother. Rearrange the letters to make a meaningful word. C. Parents, birthday, children, friends, and home. Fill in the blanks. Of all the gifts from God, your parents are the best. Number 2. With great sacrifice, parents build a happy home. Number 3. You cannot repay your parents' love and sacrifice with anything. Number 4. Your parents are proud to see and hear about your courteous behavior. Number 5. Your growth and achievement are your parents' dream. My dear children, please practice and study well. Don't waste your time. Work hard, study well, and thank you.